King of the beach, we ride to him in your fleet. The field rolling on dubs. How you feel? Whoop, what? Spraying Snoop, hitting colors in the light. With Doc in the back, sipping on yak. Cuffing all the amps, stepping through hood. Compton, Long Beach, Inglewood. South Central out to the west side. It's California love, it's California bug. Got your boy a gang of pub. I'm on one, I might bell up in the Century Club. With my jeans on, and my theme strong. Get my drink on, and my smoke on. Then go home with something to poke on. Local songs for the 2 O. Coming real, it's the next episode. Hold up. Hey, all my niggas be thinking we soft. We don't play. We gon' rock it till the wheels fall off. Hold up. Hey, all my niggas be acting too bold. Take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey.
Hello, Utah County. We got your beat.
Now listen to the beat at 94.5 FM in Utah County.
This is where it all started on 92.5. The Beat, the rhythm of Salt Lake City.
Valley Fair and 92.5 The Beat are spreading messages of love this Valentine's season. Send your Valentines a shout out on the radio.
Hey, I want to say happy Valentine's to my hubby, Mike. I love you, sweetie.
When you help spread the love, you'll automatically be entered to win prizes from your favorite stores at Valley Fair.
Hey, just wanted to say happy Valentine's Day to my wife, Keisha.
Also, don't forget to join us to spread the